nothing is being done by the central government for Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada is one of the most important cities of Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister, Ms. Chandrababu Naidu, has come to an initial conclusion that almost 6,800 crores of rupees Andhra Pradesh has incurred losses, and yet the central government has not announced anything to help Andhra Pradesh. Why? Today Andhra Pradesh is given 25 MPs to the BJP government and holding that government up in power literally. When this is the scenario, not just now, even the last government did that. Since 10 years, Andhra Pradesh is extending support to the BJP party. The parties here in power and in opposition have in fact supported BJP party. Then why isn't Mr. Modi being considerate at least at a time like this? Even for water, people are struggling here today. The water is contaminated. The officials are saying do not drink the water that's coming in the municipal lines. So either they have to buy water or rely on the water that the government is giving freely. The government gives water in the tankers that comes to the main roads and doesn't even bother coming inside the lanes. So old people, children, in fact everybody is suffering. There is so much of loss that when the flood came in, all these people had to leave their houses and run out of their houses with just barely their clothes on them. They had to leave everything behind. By the time they came back, their TVs, fridges, beds, books, clothes, utensils, everything was lost. Everything. Everything. Exactly. They lost everything. Now they are demanding a compensation of at least 1 lakh rupees per household, because in order for them to come back, most people have taken EMIs to buy these things. For them to stand up again on their feet, they need support. When Andhra Pradesh is doing so much for the BJP party, my question is, why is BJP not reciprocating? Why is Chandrababu Naidu not questioning the BJP government? Why is he's parading all these Vijayawada areas? Fine. But why isn't he going to Delhi now and asking them for money? At least 10,000 crores of rupees is required. When BJP has the heart to give to Bihar, why can't BJP give to Andhra Pradesh? In fact, we have written to the railways and said that the Vijayawada division is giving a revenue of 6,000 crores of rupees to the South Central Railways every year. So when Vijayawada town is reeling under such dire situation, then isn't it the responsibilities of the railways to do something about it? This rail neer is produced in Andhra Pradesh, in Visakhapatnam. At least 1 lakh bottles are produced every day. Then why isn't the railways doing something about providing water for Vijayawada? We have written to the railways minister, yet no action has been taken. In fact, BJP doesn't care about what's happening to Andhra Pradesh. This rail needs at least water bottles. Even this much BJP is not able to do. What else will they do? Will they give us compensation? Will they give us a special status? Will they give us Polavaram? People have to think about their support to BJP. Chandrababu Naidu has to think about his support to BJP. Once again, we are demanding BJP party and the Telugu Desam party that is in power in Andhra Pradesh to pay compensation to these people, at least 1 lakh per household, if not more. And as an immediate relief, at least send 10,000 or 15,000 to each household that has been affected, because there is more than 50,000 households that are affected.